This dance is called Let's Start Living Again. It's a 32 count, 4-wall, beginner level line dance. Starting on the right foot, rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left. Chassé to the right, these 1 and 2 count timing steps, side, close, side. Repeat with the left. So we're going to rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right, chassé to the left, side, close, side. That set of steps once more then, back rock off on the right. 7, 8, back, rock, right chassé, back, rock, left chassé. Add on a jazz box with a cross. So we're going to cross the right over the left, step the left back, step the right to the side, cross the left over the right. Into a monterey quarter turn. So we're going to point the right to the side, bring that right back beside the left as you make a quarter turn to the right. Point the left to the side, rather than bringing the left back beside the right, which is what we would normally do in a monterey turn, we're going to step the left slightly forward. So that little set of steps once more then. Jazz box off on the right. 7, 8, cross, back, side, cross, point, turn, point, step. That's our monterey turn. Let's add that to the top. Back rock off on the right. 7, 8, back rock, right chassé, back rock, left chassé, cross, back, side, cross, point, turn, point, step. Into a rocking chair. So we're going to rock forward on the right, recover your weight back on the left, rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left. Very important that you do actually move that foot from the front to the back and you recover your weight on that pivot foot almost. Otherwise you'll be on the wrong foot to start the next bit of steps. So from our rocking chair we're going to turn a quarter right. So we're going to just step that right, quarter right. Step the left to the side, step back on that right, almost behind the left, and sweep that left foot around from the front to the back. So that set of steps once more then into that rocking chair, right foot leading. 7, 8, rocking chair, turn, side, back, sweep. Let's add that to the top. Back rock off on the right. 7, 8, back rock, right chassé, back rock, left chassé, cross, back, side, cross, monterey turn. Rocking chair, turn, side, back, sweep. Cross that left behind the right, step the right to the side. Cross rock the left over the right, recover your weight back on the right. Rock to the side on the left. As you recover your weight, you're going to make a quarter turn to the right. And to finish the dance, we're going to do a half shuffle turn over your right shoulder. 1 and 2 count timing steps. So we're going to turn a quarter right, so we step that left to the side, bring the right beside the left, further quarter turn left as we step back on that left. It's your half shuffle turn. So that set of steps once more then, from our sweep, behind side cross rock off on the left. 7, 8, behind side cross rock, rock, turn, half shuffle. Now you are basically ending that dance with a 3/4 turn to the right. Now do say, where possible, do try and put all the turns in, because the dances look so much better when they are actually in and they're danced as they're choreographed. But there may be some reason why you can't do that. You can't get the steps in time to the music, or makes you a bit dizzy or disorientated. If that is the case, there are some alternative steps that you can do. So you will have done your sweep into your behind side cross rock recover. Rock to the side on the left. Now instead of recover, making a 1/4 turn to the right, when you recover, make a 1/4 turn to the left. So you will be facing the opposite direction to everybody else, but don't worry, because they'll all catch up with you. To finish the dance then, instead of that half shuffle, just shuffle back on the left. Back, close, back. Non-turning steps, should you need them, but do try and put the turns in to start with, if you can. So let's put it all together, all the way through. Back rock, off on the right. 7, 8, back rock, right chassé, back rock, left chassé, cross, back, side, cross, monterey, turn, rocking chair, turn, side, back, sweep, behind, side, cross, rock, rock, turn, half shuffle. So that is your dance. What I will do is I'll just go through it with the count so you can see the timing in the dance. Back rock off on the right. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So that is your dance. Now it is a 4-wall dance. So let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Back rock off on the right. 7, 8, back rock, right chassé, back rock, left chassé, cross, back, side, cross, monterey, turn, rocking chair, turn, side, back, sweep, behind, side, cross, rock, rock, turn, half shuffle, back rock, right chassé, back rock, left chassé, cross, back, side, cross, monterey, turn, rocking chair, turn, side, back, sweep, behind, side, cross, rock, rock, turn, half shuffle, back rock, right chassé, back rock, left chassé, cross, back, side, cross, monterey, turn, rocking chair, turn, side, back, sweep, behind, side, cross, rock, rock, turn, half shuffle. So that is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to the music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Back rock, right chassé, back rock, left chassé, cross, back, side, cross, monterey, turn, rocking chair, turn, side, back, sweep, behind, side, cross, rock, rock, turn, half shuffle, back rock, right chassé, back rock, left chassé, cross, back, side, cross, monterey, turn, rocking chair, turn, side, back, sweep, behind, side, cross, rock, rock, turn, shuffle, back, rock, right chassé, back, rock, left chassé, cross, back, side, cross, monterey, turn, rocking chair, turn, side, back, sweep, behind, side, cross, rock, rock, turn, half shuffle, back rock, right chasse, back rock, right chasse, cross, back, side, cross, monterey, turn, rocking chair, turn, side, back, sweep behind, cross, rock, rock, turn, half shuffle, back rock, right shuffle, jazz, rocking chair, behind the side, back rock, jazz, rocking chair, behind side, back rock, jazz, rocking chair, behind, back rock, jazz, rocking chair, behind,
let's start living again, hanging out with all our friends. I wanna see your smiling face, people packed in every place, crystal blue dancing all night long. DJ play our favorite song, golden times don't let it in. Let's start living again, crystal blue dancing all night long. DJ play our favorite song, golden times don't let it in. Let's start living again. Who's with me? Let's go. Let's start living again. Get over there and sing, baby. Let's start living again. Let's go, Ira. Let's start living again. I'm there. Let's start living again. Keep on living. Let's start living.
Hope you managed that one.